Baba, can we stop at the library?
Already planned. And look, I brought this map to help us get there faster.
That map is like a superpower. I can see the park, the bakery, and the library.
Text feature introduced. Maps help you find where places are. Hello, I'm Captain AHS. Today, we're trying to discover something fun, the text feature. Ready to jump in? Let's go!
I need to find out what's inside this sandwich Mama packed, without opening it. What's this paper? Turkey sandwich, bread, turkey, lettuce, tomato. Aha! This list tells me what's inside. It's like a secret code.
Text feature introduced. Labels and lists help you know what's inside or what things are.
Saro, let's go. We're driving around town to drop off some books.
Baba, can we stop at the library?
Already planned. And look, I brought this map to help us get there faster.
That map is like a superpower. I can see the park, the bakery, and the library.
Text feature introduced. Maps help you find where places are.
Look! That sign says fresh bread today. It's like a label outside the building.
Exactly. That sign gives quick info, just like the ones in books.
Connection. Labels aren't just in books, they're all around.
Whoa! Look at this picture of a dolphin. And this box says, did you know dolphins talk with clicks? This title says Ocean Friends in big blue letters. That must mean all the stuff on this page is about ocean animals.
Text feature introduced. Headings tell you the main idea of a section.
Dua! What's this heading? Plant growing. Says,
This heading shows first seed, then sprout, then full flower. The arrows make it super clear. And its text feature introduced. Diagrams show steps and parts of things.
so, the heading tells what it's about, and the diagram shows how it works?
Yup.
And wait, a word I didn't know, germination. But look! The glossary says it means when a seed starts to grow.
Text feature introduced. Glossary tells what new or tricky words mean.
Excellent work, team! Now, let's see how much you remember with the final quiz. Which one is a diagram? Options. A drawing with arrows and labels. B. Kids playing in park. The correct answer is option A, a drawing with arrows and labels. Which one helps you find the meaning of a hard word? Options: A. Table of contents. B. Glossary. The correct answer is B. Glossary. What indicates which chapter you should go to? Options: A. Heading. B. Table of content. The correct answer is B. Table of content. Where can you find out where a story happens? Options: A. Map. B. Index. The correct answer is A. Map. Which shows you what the page is mostly about? Options: A. Heading. B. Index. The correct answer is A. Heading. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll read along literary texts. Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.